After overcoming numerous challenges along the way, our documentary team arrived in one of the oldest ancient cities in the region. A city where history, culture, and Islamic art breathe through every corner. A city that for centuries stood as the beating heart of culture and civilization in Greater Khorasan, and where the pulse of history can still be felt today. Herat. In the 15th century, under the rule of the Timurids, Herat reached the peak of its cultural and artistic flourishing. Architecture, calligraphy, and tile work achieved remarkable levels of refinement and harmony. Many of the historical monuments that survive in ancient Herat today are legacies of the Timurid era. Among these monuments stands a serene and magnificent structure. Our story begins here. The Mausoleum of Gawhar Shad Begum. Located in the heart of Herat, this mausoleum forms part of the vast Mausoleum complex of Herat. The building is not only a tomb but also an outstanding example of Timurid architecture. Within the interior of the structure lies a burial chamber, indicating its ceremonial and religious function as a resting place for figures associated with the complex. Despite its simplicity, the interior space conveys a profound sense of tranquility and dignity to visitors. Architecturally, the monument is distinguished by its vertical proportions. The impressive height of the dome and walls, together with the harmonious composition of the structure, emphasizes its grandeur. This characteristic is one of the defining features of Timurid architecture. The turquoise, lapis blue, and white tile work, combined with intricate arabesque and geometric patterns, creates a level of elegance and visual harmony that captivates every observer. These colors and motifs are among the most important elements of Timurid architectural design. The inscriptions and calligraphic decorations throughout the monument reflect the distinguished status of calligraphy in Islamic architecture. Although the passage of time has diminished some of their original color and brilliance, they continue to convey their message and remain an inseparable part of the building's identity. A few hundred meters from the mausoleum stand the remaining minarets of the Herat Mausoleum complex. In the past, this remarkable complex contained more than 20 minarets, grouped together in one section and one located within the mausoleum grounds. These historic structures serve as enduring reminders of Herat's cultural and artistic greatness during the Timurid period. The Islamic Emirate has allocated funding for the restoration and preservation of this historic monument, as well as other Islamic heritage sites across Afghanistan. Restoration work is being carried out according to professional standards, and efforts continue to safeguard the heritage sites that embody the thousands of years of history of this land. These restoration and conservation projects demonstrate that the Islamic Emirate, alongside preserving the Islamic faith of the country, also places significant importance on its rich historical and cultural heritage. now bid farewell to the ancient city of Herat, a city whose every corner speaks of history. Yet our journey of stories continues.